Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County, central Preble County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Camden, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail.
Wow.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dayton, Trotwood, Eaton, Camden, Lewisburg, West Alexandria, Gratis, Clayton, Brookville, Lebanon, Farmersville, Verona, Drexel, Sugar Valley, Lake Lockingren, Muttonville, Oklahoma, Piermont, Wheatville, and West Florence. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 12 and 25. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The severe